Okay, now you can't see she.
I'm talking about parrots right now. And I'm going to show you about parrots. Parrots are found in mostly of warm
Climate.
climates including tropical, rainforest, savannas, grassland, mountains, and deserts.
Perfect.
Interesting fact. Parrots are very
Intelligent. You can't say smart. We can't change into smart. Okay, we're gonna change it.
Smart and colorful birds. Parrots diet. This is the diets.
Okay.
Diets is what you eat.
What they eat?
Parrots eat natural foods they find in the forest that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, buds, flowers, and insects.
Insects, yeah.
Most my animal habits. Oh, I forgot my name. My name is Eliana Birhanu.
I see.
And look at this.
That's so crazy, so beautiful.
This is the water.
Okay, the water source.
The water source.
That means from where they got the water.
Parrots drink rainwater and from freshwater sources like lakes, rivers, and streams. Most of my animal habits. Climate. They love warm temperatures, high humidity, heavy rainfall, lots of sunlight. And this is how I create this.
Yeah.
Do you like it, guys?
That's the best.
Can I do for my students?
That's sun.
And look at
I make yellow, rain, and cloud. That's beautiful.
And do you like how my name looks like?
Yeah, that's so
Both of them can even make rainbow. I make rainbow. I love rainbow. Rainbow is my favorite color either. And now let's talk about it. And this is the picture of the parrots.
That's so beautiful.
Guys.
She's so beautiful. She's colorful.
Yes.
You have to say that. Don't touch it. Just talk like a big girl.
And this is and that's it. Oh, safe.
Okay, you have to.
Safety. Parrots about safety. Parrots must be safe from snakes, eagles, and wild cats.
Yes, perfect.
Trees. Parrots live mostly in a tall tree to sleep, build nest, hide from danger.
Yes. Sleep, build nests, and hide from dangers. Yes.
Can you send this from his Adubar?
Look.